Welcome to the Go Ham Show. I'm DJ Go Ham, and tonight we're gonna watch Bones.
Oink, oink, pig, pig, do away with the pork.
Okay, everyone, I present to you motherfucking billiards. Hey, yeah, we're gonna be playing billiards with Bones. Like, you know, we're gonna use them as pool cubes and, like, play bone billiards. Motherfucking pool. Who calls it pool? Who calls it billiards? Anyway, everybody, this is Bones, Demolition Freestyle Part 3. I don't know what the fuck this is. I just typed in Bones. They say he got a new track, but this was newer, so I'm gonna watch this. So I'm gonna smoke this first, though. Billiards. Bitch. Hoe. Skank. Yeah.
Yeah, she like my attire, she like how I style, yeah. White like M, but I rep that N59, yeah. Quick to lie, sticky every time.
In your face.
Am I blind? Once I flash it, make 'em blind. I don't want to be awake, I just want to go to sleep. I don't got to deal with demons, at least I do not in my dreams. I get peace, blood guts in my teeth, don't agree. I know they familiar with the tape. I can never forgive, no hiccup. Pick 'em up, put 'em in the trunk for later. Lift it up, pick up, Christopher Cross, clap out, not that boy sailor. Stop, drop and roll, had to flame up, drop top, the boat candy painted. All time, your boy been the greatest. Stone wash, whole body fade. They call me God, and I stand unjaded, dog like.
I would have put in like a little long yell and like had it like fade out and shit. It would have been dope. Like, holy fuck.
Take it grateful, she said thank you. You want favor, will you make it? Had the chance, but didn't take it. Now you bugging, chasing papers, but I've been up platinum navigators on them haters. ZTV, I hit my chicken dance. Click it up now, we gang. They try to spray me up that click and jam. Wham, bam, thank you, man. Hop out van and clear cam. Damn, man, a couple M's every time I check my switch. Big dogs, he like big mo. On my left hand, that's a Sigma. I'm black, but I got the key, and I don't think I wanna get that. He done, he need to sit down, grab some woods and drop your friend off at the root too. I let those sticks and stones, that's what they sell you. Throw shit hard, that's what they tell you. How you let them lies get to you? He said, what about who? Now we gon' let them flies get to you. Come test it, got that bone, crush it, stuffed up in the trunk. Never scared, so you say, but you yet to meet the one.
This song is really scary sounding. I look like I got like smacked in the eye right here. Holy shit. Oh man. Smacked in the face. Holy fuck. Scary ass Bones. Fucking freestyle. Scary ass Bones. Smacked me in the face and I didn't know. I don't know why this guy is so successful, even though he is a real underground artist. Anyway, I'm gonna get the fuck out of here, everybody. That was motherfucking Magical Bones. His demolition freestyle while he was playing billiards and somebody was filming. I like it. Anyway, let's get the fuck out of here.
Oink, oink.